it's Dr. Jenny again at Spinal Corrective Center in Amherst, New Hampshire. Lately we've been talking about the importance of the spine. And if you remember, the spine houses and protects your nervous system. We have your brain, we have your spinal cord, and the spine is housing and protecting that delicate cord as it floats down inside of the spine. And you remember how the nerves come off the spinal cord and they go everywhere in the body. So the question is, how do you know if we can help you? I will tell you it's very simple. As a chiropractor, we know in our office that we can help you because we find something called spinal subluxation. A subluxation means that a part of your spine has moved out of its healthy position or it's stopped moving properly, and it's potentially changed the ability for your nervous system to get the messages from the brain out to the body. So sometimes we'll just find one spot in the spine that has shifted. Other times that has created an entire change of shape of the spine. So subluxation can be very defined to one area, or over time it can affect the entire spine. So oftentimes you'll get x-rays because that actually helps us directly see subluxation. And what's really cool is we can show you on an x-ray where your spine is subluxated. A subluxation that's been there a long time will actually show signs of degeneration or arthritis in the spine. So an x-ray can even tell us how long potentially a subluxation has been there. And I'll tell you, when we adjust you, our entire focus, our entire intention is to help your body remove and release subluxation so the spine can move more healthy, it can be in a better alignment, and your nervous system can have less stress. So to find out if you have spinal subluxation, click the button below and we'll do an exam for you. Be well, everybody.